global warming is something that can really affect us and our environment. Global warming presents a particularly pressing challenge in human society, even threatening the very survival of our species. Rising temperatures have been linked to a highly unstable climate patterns, melting polar caps, and glaciers, which in turn contributes to rising sea levels and reduced quantities of fresh water. Global warming puts an excessive strain on natural systems to sustain a growing human population, a situation that is not sustainable in the long run. A few examples of this is, just our last hurricane season with Irma. We've had so many crazy weather patterns that have been going on that could be caused because of global warming. The three main topics that I'm going to be talking about with global warming is what exactly is global warming, what causes it, and steps that we can take to stop global warming from affecting our environment. So what is global warming? Global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. The consistently rising temperatures of the Earth's atmosphere is termed as global warming. This rising temperature is largely attributed to human activities and with massive industrialization of the 19th century. Since then, global temperatures have been steadily increasing, a process that in the past 3 decades, by rapid industrialization across the developing world and the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases affected by this industrialization. Statistically, average global temperatures have shot up more than 0.8 Celsius. Since the turn of the 20th century, this is expected to increase tremendously in the coming decades, with estimates ranging from an average of 1.1 Celsius to 6.4 Celsius. It's a really big jump right there. So what exactly causes global warming? The cause of global warming have been traced to human actions, particularly the excessive burning of fossil fuels and rapid deforestation across the world. Burning fossil fuels release greenhouse gases such as CO2 into the atmosphere. These gases act as an industrial layer, preventing the sun's heat from reflecting back into space, thus contributing to increased global temperatures. Rapid deforestation continues to the process as CO2 consuming vegetative cover is destroyed, leading to an excess of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So now, what steps can we take, to stop global warming and, try to protect those polar bears that we love? I don't really know if there's much that we can do with ice caps melting, but, with the greenhouse effect, if there's ways that we can stop it, why wouldn't we, Response to the effects of global warming have largely focused on reducing the emissions of greenhouse gases, increased afforestation, and using alternative fuels of energy to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. There are many advocates out there that say that global warming is caused naturally. There have been studies that shown to prove that gases like greenhouse gas have impacted our atmosphere tremendously. So the reason why I really decided that I wanted to do global warming was I've always been fascinated with the earth and the changes that happen over time. And, I hope this speech has provided enough information, for us to want to make a difference, not just for us, but for our children's children. So thank you so much for watching.